This is a brand new 2014 Ram truck. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a locking rear differential, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a driver airbag, full power accessories, a security system, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.